What's up, guys? We got a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Basically, they stole the first one. This is the second one. And the way the immobilizer works is somebody gets in and they try to start the car. See, it doesn't start. What you do, you leave it in the run position. You take my fob. Basically, it's back on again. They can't start the car unless you press this button. Say you leave it at the dealership and you want to put the system in valet. You hit the top button. Okay, while the car is running, you hit the top, bottom, turn off the car, and now you're able to start the car 10 times before the system engages itself. So, when you leave it at the dealer, they're not gonna, while they're moving the car in and out of the shop, they shouldn't, start the car. You'll be able to start the car on and off 10 times until it enables again. You can do this for valet parking, or if you're just gonna lend it out to somebody or whatever and you don't want to explain to them how to start the car or whatever. To take it out of valet, say you don't want to wait the 10 times, you can hit the bottom, top, and that will enable the system back on. So now watch, it won't start again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. That's the way it works. Okay, and basically that's the install right there. This is the way the system works. If anybody that has the Charger, the Challenger, all these type of vehicles that they're hot in the Nissan Maximum, Charger, Challenger, the Dodge TRX, the Ram TRX, all these cars, we do have the immobilizer kit. They do come with 2 fobs, so his and hers. So if you don't lend the car out to anybody, you can keep the extra one in your house. And it does have an override procedure, but we don't want to discuss that unless you purchase the kit. The override procedure is in case you want to leave it at a body shop for a long time, or anything happens at say you get a bad starter and you want to rule out my system. I'll show you how to it's very easy to reverse it back the way it used to be, and which I'm not going to discuss for security reasons, but yeah, it can be done. That way you can test to see if you have a starter issue or whatnot. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Whoever wants to order this out of state, give us a call. Thank you for watching this video.